Hello everyone, if you're getting this error in GTA 5, the Rockstar Game Services are unavailable right now, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Rockstar Games easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to search for Cloudflare Warp on here, and then you're going to go on to this link. You're going to click download latest stable release and you're going to download this software on your computer. And once it's done downloading, you're going to go ahead and install it. And after installing it, don't open it yet. First, open up your start menu. Right here, Windows Firewall. And here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on to allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. And then click change settings. Click allow another app. Click browse on here. And then go to your GTA 5's directory. And then select the GTA 5 enhanced.exe. Click open. Click add on here. Find the GTA 5 exe on here. And then just click the public and the private checkboxes on GTA 5 and then click OK. After that, close this up. Open up your start menu again. Right here, Windows Security. And then go into Firewall and Network Protections. Click Restore Firewalls to Default. And then click Restore Defaults. And after that, you're going to open up the software that we just downloaded, Cloudflare Warp. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click onto this settings icon. You're going to click onto 1.1.1.1 with warp, then connect it. And once it's done connecting, now you're going to open up the Rockstar Games Launcher and you're going to try to play your GTA 5 and you'll see that it will connect correctly. You will not get that Rockstar Game Services error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.